So now we're on to tangent. So I've done sine, I've done cosine. Now what I'm going to do is show you how to find the tangent of this angle. So again, we're running into problems and we're trying to do this because it's not in the unit circle. So I need to write this either as a sum or the difference of two angles. And those two angles need to be either multiples of one of these angles, because these are the angles that I can determine what the values are on the unit circle. So when I do my kind of work and I think about, I practice numbers, adding these up with different numerators, I end up getting, I can rewrite this as tangent of 3 pi over 4 plus pi over 3. And now that I've been able to use this as a addition of two angles, I can now use the sum formula for tangent, which says that tangent of two angles u plus v equals the tangent of u plus the tangent of v, all divided by 1 minus tangent of u times tangent of v. So now what I simply need to do is just plug in those values in for tangent. So it's going to be tangent tangent of 3 pi over 4 plus pi over 3 equals the tangent of 3 pi over 4 plus the tangent of pi over 3 divided by 1 minus the tangent of 3 pi over 4 times the tangent of pi over 3. So now what I can simply do is find the values of tangent of 3 pi over 4 and tangent of pi over 3. So when I take a look at my unit circle, I know that 3 pi over 4 is going to be right here, which is going to be my angle negative radical 2 over 2, comma, radical 2 over 2. And when I write that as my x and y coordinates, when I put y over x, which is tangent, I'm going to equal equals negative 1. Then I look at radical pi over 3, which gives me radical 3 over 2, comma, other way around, 1/2, comma, radical 3 over 2. So now when I write this as y over x, which is radical 3 over 2 over 1/2, the 2's cancel out and I'm left with a radical 3. So the tangent of 3 pi over 4 is going to be negative 1 plus tangent of pi over 3, which is radical 3, all over 1 minus the tangent of 3 pi over 4, again, which is negative 1, times the tangent of 3 pi over 3, which is radical 3. Here, I become a double negative, so this becomes positive. And what you notice I have then is negative 1 plus radical 3 all over 1 plus radical 3. Almost think we're done, right? Everyone's like, yes, I got it. But remember, now we're dividing by an irrational number and a radical. So now I need to multiply by the conjugate on the top and the bottom. So when I multiply the conjugate, remember this is the difference of two squares, so I can simply just multiply my first two numbers and multiply my last two numbers. Therefore, on the bottom, I'm going to get 1 minus 3 all over negative 1 times 1 is a negative 1. And you can go into this 1 times radical 3 is going to give me a plus a radical 3. Negative 1 times another negative 1 is going to give me another positive radical 3. And radical 3 times radical 3 is going to give me, or negative radical 3 will give me a negative 3. So now I combine my like terms, and negative 3 plus negative 1 gives me negative 4 plus 2 radical 3 all over negative 2. Well, I can cancel out my 2's. And what I end up now, when I cancel that out, is I'm going to get a 1 minus a radical 3. And that is your final answer for tangent.